Welcome to Conceptual Academy. So friends, in this series we will solve the complete test of the CSS 2023 Screening MCQs Based Preliminary Test MPT held at 2 October 2022. So friends, before starting a video, I request you please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for more update. So without any time wasting, let's start the video. Question number 1. Ghazwa Uhud fought in which Hijri? So the correct answer is 3 Hijri. Question number 2. When was the Zakat made obligatory? So the answer is 2 Hijri. Question number 3. Which Sahabi as mentioned in the Holy Quran? So the correct answer is Hazrat Zayd bin Haris Raziyallah. Question number 4. Who compiled the Holy Quran? So the correct answer is Hazrat Abu Bakr Raziyallah. Question number 5. Who was the second wife of a Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam? So the answer is Sauda bint Zama. Question number 6. Unparalleled means. So the answer is exceptional. Question number 7. Put out mean. So the answer is extinguish. Question number 8. Beat of means. So the answer is success and resistance in attack. Question number 9. मानी के लिहाज से इसम की अक़साम. मानी के लिहाज से इसम की 2 अक़साम हैं. करेक्ट आंसर इज 2. क्वेश्चन नंबर 10. हाउ मेनी मेंबर एन SC? करेक्ट आंसर इज 8. हाउ मेनी member and quad? So the correct answer is 4. Question number 12. How many members are there in European Union? So the correct answer is 27. How many members are in NPT? So the correct answer is 191. Question number 14. Name the 5th considered caliph of Islam. So the correct answer is Hazrat Umar bin Abdul Aziz. Question number 15. Total point of Treaty of Medina. So the correct answer is none of these, but total 47 points. Question number 16. Who wrote the Treaty of Hudaybiyah? So the correct answer is Hazrat Ali Raziyallah. Thank you for watching.